Tina Language Academy. Today we are going to look on lesson 1, Swahili greetings for beginners. Welcome to Tina Language Academy. My name is Tina and today I will teach you some common Swahili greetings used in everyday conversations. Let's get started here. You see, a greetings in English, hello. Hello. In Swahili we say hujambo. Here in number 1, hujambo. A response should be sijambo. Example, hujambo, sijambo. A person can reply that. Number 2, good morning. Habari za asubuhi. A response, nzuri. Habari za asubuhi, nzuri. Number 3, good afternoon. If it is afternoon, you want to greet someone in Swahili, you say habari za mchana. Habari za mchana. A response the same, nzuri. Number 4, good evening. Habari za jioni. You respond nzuri. How are you? Number 5, habari yako. Nzuri, asante. I am fine, thank you. Nzuri, asante. Number 6, what is your name? Jina lako nani? You respond, jina langu ni Tina. Nice to meet you. That's number 7. Nimefurahi kukutana na wewe. Kukutana nawe. Number 8, thank you. Asante. Number 9, you are welcome. Karibu. You are welcome. Karibu in Swahili. Number 10, goodbye in Swahili, kwaheri, kwaheri. Let me give you some practice conversation. Practice conversation. You can save this video for later use, like personal A and personal B. We are greeting in Swahili now. Follow me. Hujambo, sijambo. Habari yako, nzuri, asante. Jina lako nani? Jina langu ni Tina. Nimefurahi kukutana nawe. Asante. Kwaheri, kwaheri. People are greeting and they are saying goodbye to each other. Thank you for watching this lesson. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share and subscribe to Tina Language Academy. See you next lesson. Kwaheri.